In the heart of bustling cities and serene villages alike, the digital age has woven itself into the very fabric of everyday life in India. With the rise of smartphones and the internet, news is no longer confined to the pages of newspapers or the slots of evening broadcasts. Instead, it flows ceaselessly through social media feeds, instant messaging apps, and countless websites, creating a landscape rich with information yet fraught with peril. In this vibrant tapestry, the challenge of navigating the media environment has become a pressing concern, particularly in a nation where the diversity of voices is both a strength and a source of confusion. Every day, millions of Indians wake up to notifications on their phones, scrolling through a barrage of headlines that promise to inform, entertain, or incite. Yet, hidden among the genuine stories are countless strands of fake and manufactured news, crafted with the intent to mislead or manipulate. The prevalence of misinformation is alarming, often designed to provoke outrage or spread fear, and it can travel faster than the truth itself. The impact of this phenomenon is profound, shaping public perception and influencing opinions on issues ranging from politics to health. The consequences of consuming unchecked information ripple through society. Consider a viral post claiming a miracle cure for a prevalent disease. Many, desperate for hope, may latch onto it without a second thought, sharing it with friends and family. This single piece of misinformation can lead to harmful consequences, from financial exploitation to the neglect of legitimate medical advice. The ripple effect is not limited to individual choices. It can sway elections, spark communal tensions, and erode trust in institutions. The digital space, once a platform for democratizing information, can quickly become a breeding ground for division and chaos. In this landscape, the importance of fact-checking cannot be overstated. It is essential for individuals to cultivate media literacy, a skill that has become as vital as reading and writing in the 21st century. Media literacy empowers people to critically evaluate the information they encounter, discern the credibility of sources, and understand the motives behind the messages they receive. It is about asking the right questions. Who is behind this information? What evidence supports it? Is there a bias present? By fostering a culture of inquiry, individuals can reclaim their agency in a world where misinformation thrives. Yet, the responsibility does not rest solely on the shoulders of the consumers. Media organizations, tech companies, and educational institutions must also play their part in this collective effort. News outlets should prioritize accuracy and transparency, providing context and clarification whenever possible. Social media platforms, with their vast reach, have a unique obligation to implement robust mechanisms for identifying and curbing the spread of false information. Educational institutions can integrate media literacy into their curricula, equipping future generations with the tools they need to navigate this complex environment. As individuals, we must recognize that our choices matter. Each time we share a piece of information, we contribute to its legitimacy and spread. By taking a moment to verify facts before hitting that share button, we can collectively combat the tide of misinformation. Engaging in conversations about the importance of accurate information, encouraging friends and family to think critically, and supporting platforms that uphold journalistic integrity are all steps toward a more informed society. In this intricate dance of information and misinformation, the stakes are high. The future of public discourse in India hinges on our ability to discern fact from fiction, to hold ourselves accountable, and to foster a culture of critical thinking. By embracing media literacy and prioritizing the truth, we can navigate this challenging landscape, ensuring that our voices contribute to a more informed, cohesive, and resilient society. The quest for truth is not merely an individual endeavor. It is a collective responsibility that shapes the very essence of democracy itself.